register the brown ones. You have to take pictures of the brown ones, but you can register the brown ones. What was their